Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a haven of warmth and modern simplicity with this modern rustic wooden living room design. The space exudes a sense of relaxed sophistication, where natural textures and clean lines create a timeless and inviting atmosphere. Focal point with character, reclaimed brilliance, a stunning statement piece takes center stage, a fireplace or media console crafted from reclaimed wood. The natural variations in tone and texture of the wood tell a story, adding a touch of rustic charm and grounding the space. Warm and welcoming, exposed beauty, exposed wooden beams overhead, perhaps painted white for a modern touch, add architectural interest and warmth. They connect visually with the reclaimed wood elements and create a sense of openness. Soft touches, cozy comfort, a plush sectional sofa upholstered in a neutral fabric like cream or light gray anchors the space. Fluffy throw pillows and a chunky knit blanket add inviting softness and texture. Modern touches, coffee table contrast, a sleek coffee table in glass or polished metal creates a stylish contrast to the rustic wooden elements. This interplay between textures keeps the design modern and visually interesting. Artful accents, woven wonders, woven baskets or area rugs made from natural materials like jute or seagrass add a touch of rustic texture underfoot. They complement the wooden elements while providing warmth and visual interest. Metallic accents. Light and shine, metallic accents like brushed gold or chrome table lamps or light fixtures add a touch of modern elegance. They balance the rustic elements and create a touch of sophistication. Finishing touches, live edge charm, incorporate a side table or accent piece made from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood and adds a unique, organic element to the space. Greenery abounds. Fiddle leaf fig trees or other large potted plants in woven baskets add pops of life and connect the space to nature. Overall ambience, this modern rustic living room design is a harmonious blend of natural textures and clean lines. It's a space that feels warm, inviting, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for relaxing after a long day or entertaining friends and family. A rustic living room with modern wood style offers a unique aesthetic that combines the timeless appeal of natural materials with the clean lines and functionality of modern design. Here are some reasons why you might consider this design choice. Warmth and character. Natural beauty. Wood brings a sense of warmth and character to a living room. The natural variations in tone and grain create a unique and inviting atmosphere, far removed from the sterility of some modern designs. Modern twist on tradition, timeless appeal, rustic elements never go out of style. They offer a sense of heritage and connection to the past. By incorporating modern wood elements, you create a design that feels fresh and current while retaining a timeless quality. Versatility and flexibility, adaptable design. This design style can be adapted to suit various tastes. You can lean more towards the rustic side with rough-hewn wood and exposed beams, or create a more modern feel with sleek wood furniture and clean lines. Focus on natural materials, sustainable style. Modern rustic design emphasizes the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and textiles. This creates a healthy and sustainable living environment, which is a growing priority for many homeowners. Durability and low maintenance, built to last. High-quality wood furniture is known for its durability. With proper care, it can last for generations. Modern wood elements are often designed with clean lines and minimal fuss, making them easy to maintain. Airy and open feel, light and spacious. Modern design principles often emphasize clean lines and open floor plans. Combining this with natural wood elements can create a living room that feels airy, spacious, and uncluttered. Unique design potential, endless possibilities. Modern wood comes in a variety of styles, from light and Scandinavian-inspired to dark and dramatic. You can use this variety to create a living room that reflects your unique personality and taste. Value and investment, long-lasting beauty. high-quality wood furniture is an investment that can appreciate in value over time. It adds character and charm to your home, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Overall, a rustic living room with modern wood style offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless appeal. It creates a comfortable and inviting space that reflects your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream modern rustic living room with beautiful wooden elements, planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Modern rustic encompasses a spectrum. Do you lean towards a clean, Scandinavian-inspired look with light wood tones, or a more dramatic space with darker, richer woods? Browse magazines, websites like Pinterest, and online home tours to gather inspiration and solidify your vision. 2. Measure and sketch. Before diving into furniture selection, grab a measuring tape and sketch a layout of your living room. Consider the placement of furniture, the fireplace, if applicable, and how traffic will flow through the space. 3. Budgeting. Modern wood furniture can be an investment, so establish a realistic budget up front. This will guide your choices for furniture, lighting, and decorative accents, choosing key pieces. 4. Statement fireplace, optional if you have a fireplace. Consider using reclaimed wood or stone for a rustic touch. A clean-lined mantel in a contrasting material like polished concrete adds a modern twist. 5. Hero piece furniture. Select a statement piece like a coffee table or entertainment console made from high-quality wood. Look for pieces with clean lines and minimal hardware for a modern feel. The natural beauty of the wood should be the main attraction. 6. Seating comfort. Choose a comfortable sofa or sectional upholstered in a neutral fabric like cream, gray, or beige. Consider incorporating throw pillows with a touch of rustic texture like woven wool or cable knit, balancing textures and materials. 7. Mixed metallics. Balance the warmth of wood with cool metallic accents. Sleek chrome or brushed gold table lamps, light fixtures, or hardware on cabinets add a touch of modern elegance. 8. Woven wonders. Incorporate woven textures like jute or seagrass rugs and baskets. These add warmth, a touch of rustic charm, and complement the wooden elements. 9. Live edge details. Consider incorporating a unique side table or accent piece made from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood in its organic form and adds a touch of rustic character. Lighting for ambience. 10. Layering the light. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider modern pendant lights over the coffee table and sleek floor lamps for reading areas. Natural touches. 11. Bringing the outdoors in. Add pops of life with large potted plants like fiddle leaf fig trees or monstera in woven baskets. This connects the space to nature and complements the natural wood tones. Finishing touches. 12. Rustic accents. Carefully chosen rustic accents can elevate the design. Think throw pillows with a plaid pattern, a chunky knit blanket, or a reclaimed wood picture frame. Don't overdo it, a few well-placed pieces are key. 13. Art that speaks to you. Select artwork that complements your overall aesthetic. Rustic landscapes or abstract pieces with earthy tones can tie the design together. Remember, quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality wooden furniture pieces that will last for years to come. Embrace natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows uncluttered and choosing light-colored curtains. Personalize your space. Don't be afraid to incorporate pieces that reflect your personality and style. This is your haven. So make it feel like you. By following these steps and unleashing your creativity, you can design a modern rustic living room with beautiful wooden elements that is both warm and inviting, and perfectly reflects your taste. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.